Yo, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a channel exactly like this one to earn money consistently and overnight while you're sleeping. By the way, my name is Alex and I run a few channels. One of them is this one. It makes me roughly 2K a month. And here's another AI commentary channel that I just got monetized like 2 weeks ago. It's also pulling me in around 1,200 a month. And I do YouTube shorts full time. So if you guys want to learn how to do this, just continue watching and I'm going to be going fully in depth. I'm not going to waste any of your time. So let's just get started. And real quick guys, I've been working on something behind the scenes for a couple months now, dialing in the exact system that took me from being stuck in 30,000 view jail to putting me in millions and millions of views a day on autopilot. And now for the first time, I'm opening up Shorts Mastery Inner Circle, a 180-day one-on-one mentorship where I'll personally help you break from that 30,000 view jail and scale your YouTube Shorts automation channels past $10,000 a month. You'll have real one-on-one access to me. We'll be calling each other, breaking down your content, fixing what's holding you back, and building a system that actually brings results. Inside the waitlist, I'm giving away 3 free one-on-one calls with me, randomly selected to those on the waitlist. The waitlist is on Telegram. It's completely free. And on November 13th, I'll be revealing who gets those 3 free one-on-one calls. I'm posting there twice a day with insights I don't share on YouTube. Things like how to spot viral patterns, automate faster, and actually start gaining real traction. This launch is private. It's dropping inside the waitlist first, which is in Telegram. It's completely free. And if you're not in there, you'll probably miss your shot completely. So if you're done guessing, tired of hitting the same 30,000 view jail, and ready to finally turn your channel into a system that prints, hit the link in the description, join the waitlist. It's completely free and have an opportunity to lock in a spot to work with me one-on-one before they're all taken. Back to the video. So first thing you're going to want to do is find a niche. So step 1, go to your Chrome, open an incognito window and start looking. Once you're on here, just click on Shorts and start scrolling.
Her dad?
So I scrolled a few times. As you can see, this guy's pulling in a bunch of likes.
Popcorn. He spotted.
It's just like a commentary video. Let's go over to the actual channel itself. You can see he's pulling in pretty good views. He's pulling millions of views per video. And he has like almost 100,000 subs. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make videos exactly like these. It's just commentary AI videos. All you need to do is go on TikTok. All right. Once you're on TikTok, click on this explore button. Make sure you're not logged in. And now you're going to want to find a cool video. All right, so I looked for a while and I found this pretty cool video of a compilation of dogs or pets saving their owners. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this video. Then you can go to download TikTok video HD. Then you can just put the TikTok video right into here. Then you're going to want to click HD because that's the best one. Then you can just save it. Now you should have the clip. Once you have the clip, you're going to want to write a script. So just go to Google Docs and then put your video beside your Google Doc, all right? Now, this is kind of the boring part, but it's the necessary part, but you're gonna have to write a script. A lot of people say, oh, use AI to write the script, use this, use that. But in reality, you're not gonna use AI. It's gonna make the script really bad. Don't use any other type of AIs. Don't use Gemini, don't use, yeah, you get the point. Just don't use AI to write the script. You're gonna want to do this yourself. So let me show you exactly how I write scripts. It's pretty easy. You're just gonna watch the video and just kind of write what you're seeing. So I'm gonna do, this lady was trying to enter, no, this lady was entering her house when this bear popped out of nowhere. She started screaming, but the dog started defending her. The dog was so brave that the bear ran away. All right. And that's basically it. Now we just go to the next video. And for this one, the owner opened the door and this jaguar bounced on him, but then the dog attacked him. So we're going to do something similar. This next guy was just going into his house when this giant leopard pounced on him. The dog luckily didn't run away, but saved the day. I'm just going to end it at 2 clips because usually YouTube shorts are good around 20 seconds long, especially if they're AI commentary videos. You want them to be around 20 seconds long. You can make them longer if you want, but I'm just going to show, just for this video, I'm going to make it 20 seconds long because I don't want to drag out this video insanely long. So once you have the script written, all you got to do is go to 11 Labs Then you go to text to speech, and my favorite voice to use is max deep and crisp. You can use any one you want, but this is the settings I use. If you guys want to see, it's 30%, 30%, 80%, and then 1.14. Then you just paste your script right into here and click generate.
This lady was entering her house.
Yeah, so that's going to make the script. You're just going to want to download it. So now we have the video and we have the voiceover. So next thing you're going to want to do is open CapCut, all right? So CapCut is free. All you got to do is take your video and then take your voiceover. Then you just drag it into here, and then we cut off the video right here. Now we have the voiceover, and we're going to split it up. You want it to kind of overlap, so it's kind of like this. So there's like no space in between it. And then we're going to make this video a bit quieter. We're going to make it like 8.7.
Started defending her. The dog was...
Then you just do this for the entire script. And there we go. Now, as you can see, the video is a bit too long for the voiceover, so we're going to go ahead and clip it up.
Out of nowhere. She started screaming, but the dog started defending her.
Now we end the video there, and we're just going to drag to the next clip.
This next guy was just going into his house when this giant leopard pounced on him. The dog luckily didn't run away, but saved the day.
Yeah, and that's basically it. So you're probably wondering, oh, is this all you got to do? Well, the short answer is yes. But then the longer answer is, if you actually want it to go viral, you need to add some other stuff for it to go viral, like zoom ins, sound effects, risers, other things. So first thing we're going to do is make this entire voiceover a bit louder. I usually like doing 3. Then we're going to go ahead and add a auto caption. But before you click generate, you're going to want to make this into a compound clip, so it's all together, and then you click generate. Okay, since we have the captions now, all you got to do is put it in the middle. Then I like going to animation, and my favorite one is color bounce.
This lady was entering her...
Then I go to text and I make it TD4's Trial. That's the font that I use. Then I add some stroke and make it around 50%. All right, so now you can see it's kind of boring to look at. There's like no zooms or anything. It's just the captions and then the voiceover. So what we're going to do is we're going to like split it up and add some zooms. So let me show you guys how to do it.
When this bear popped out of nowhere.
So where the sentence ends, that's where you're going to want to clip it. And then we're going to click on animation. And then I'm going to click on the zoom one, and I'm going to make it 0.3 seconds. Then after that, I'm going to add a zoom in on the entire clip. So you're going to click on the clip and add transform keyframe, then go to the last frame and then click transform again. And then you can just zoom in and move it. So I want it to zoom like that much. So it's going to look like this.
This lady was entering her house when this bear popped.
And when the bear gets in the thing, I'm going to add another keyframe and zoom in onto the bear. I'm going to go like this, then track it. We can move it again right here. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So now it's going to look something like this.
This lady was entering her house when this bear popped out of nowhere. She started...
So the next clip, I'm actually going to start it zoomed in like this. Then I'm going to end the clip with it being zoomed out like that.
Nowhere. She started screaming, but the dog started defending her.
Then this last clip, I'm going to start it right here. Then I'm going to end it with her petting it. So kind of like that.
The dog was so brave that the bear ran away.
So then this next clip, I'm going to start it with a zoom out. So I'm going to start it like that. So I'm going to start the next clip on the guy and his dog. Then I'm going to zoom out when the leopard actually jumps on him. So it's going to look something like this.
This next guy was just going into his house.
And then this next clip, I kind of want to track the leopard. So I'm going to zoom out again, zoom in again, make it lower. And I want to zoom out, keep tracking it. So now it's going to look something like this.
This next guy was just going into his house when this giant leopard pounced on him. The dog luckily didn't run away, but saved the day.
That's basically it. So that's it for all the zooms in and like all the effects. Now I want to add the sound effects and everything and like the circles and everything. So first thing I like to add is a ding. And I also like to add the awkward moment sound effect. If you guys want to, there's a pack in the description. It'll have all my assets that I use to edit my shorts.
This lady was...
So yeah, now I add the ding. I don't want it to be super loud. I'm going to make it like -7. So it's going to sound like this.
This lady was...
And then we're going to add a circle onto the lady. Remember, you guys can get the pack. It's in the bottom in the description. It has all the circles, all the sound effects, all the songs I use to edit my shorts. So yeah, we're going to grab the red circle and we're going to put it over this lady. So what I like to do is add a mask because I don't like how thick the circle is. And we're going to make it a bit thinner like that. Then we're going to make it click on transform and track the lady. So just go a few frames forward, then make it smaller, then keep tracking her. We're going to make it a bit more, make it bigger, keep tracking her. and then we're going to make it fade out. So we're going to click the split, delete this right here, and click on animation, click out, and then do a fade out.
Entering her.
So now it's going to look something like this.
This lady was entering her house.
And then we're going to go for the next clip, and we're going to add an awkward moment sound effect.
This next guy was just going.
Yeah, and that's basically it. I'm not going to add an arrow on him because he's like visibly seen. He's like a lot bigger on this next one. That's basically it. If you want to, you can add a riser. That's also going to be in the pack, by the way. And we're just going to overlay it. So it's going to be right before the second clip, like that. So now it's going to sound something like this.
House when this bear popped out of nowhere. She started screaming, but
by the way, guys, this is not the end of the video. So make sure you're going to keep watching because I'm going to show you guys the best posting settings, how to get out of the 0 view jail, and then how to stay motivated so you can post so much that you're eventually going to go viral. So yeah, export it, give it a name. I'm going to call it Times When Animals or Pets Saved Their Owners. And then we're going to add like an emoji. A lot of people say, oh, if you add an emoji, it'll lower the RPM or it'll make the views worse. But that's not true. You can do whatever you want for the name. Obviously, make it related to the video. Make it like a strong title. I think this is a pretty good title, so yeah. So guys, once you have the video right here, what you can do is either upload it from your computer or you can upload it from your phone. So let me show you guys some tips to get out of the 0 view jail. So first thing is when you make your channel, you're going to want to age it. So I made this account back in 2023 and I started posting on it around a little bit over a month ago. So that's why this channel is able to pull in millions of views because I aged it. But if you don't have an aged account, that's fine. What you're going to want to do is just go to YouTube and just watch people's videos. Just act like a normal person, just like and comment on the videos. You can also watch some shorts, just scroll through them, just like the videos that are in your niche that you're going to be posting. And you're going to want to do this for a few days to warm up your account if it's a brand new account. Also, even if you have an aged account, you're also going to want to warm it up because if you have an aged account that you don't use, YouTube is still going to flag it as suspicious because you didn't use it for like a long time. Also, this is what helped me escape 0 view jail is you're going to want to send the video to your phone and upload it from your phone. All right, guys, so I'm on my phone. So I'm going to show you how to post the video without it getting 0 view jailed. So if you're on your phone, what you can do is go ahead and watch shorts for like an hour, especially if your account is new, because YouTube is going to think you're a bot if you're not going to do that. But after you watch shorts for a while, just click on this shorts button right here and then get the video that you uploaded from your computer onto your phone. So once you have it on your phone, just upload it onto YouTube and then just name it. So we named it Times When Pets Saved Their Owners. Okay. And make sure you do hashtag shorts, okay? So hashtag shorts is usually what gets me out of the 0 view jail. Make sure you do. It's not made for kids. And make sure it's public. A lot of people, they forget to set it to public. I know it's dumb, but that's basically it. And then you want to click upload. And if you just keep your uploading videos from your phone, 0 view jail, I'm 100% sure that you're going to get. Let me guys just show you this channel, for example, that I'm literally just uploading random videos from my phone that I recorded on my phone. So I'm just aging this account while posting random videos that I just record around my neighborhood and stuff. And as you can see, these videos actually pull in like 1,000 views, which is a good sign, which means we are in the shorts feed. So what you can do to age your account is just make an account, watch YouTube shorts on it, and then record like random videos from your phone and then upload it. And then once you actually plan on using the channel, you can just delete those videos and then start uploading. Also, if you guys want more tips about escaping 0 view jail, as you're watching this video, I probably just dropped my module on how to escape 0 view jail, and it's way more in depth. It has a bunch of different methods that I used and that my audience also used to escape the 0 view jail, because a lot of people have problems with that to this day. Also in this course, we're hosting monthly cash competitions, so you can win all your money back and way more. We're also hosting weekly calls, and we got a lot of people who are growing and getting millions of views in this course. So make sure to join while it's only $8 a month, because I'm going to be increasing it to $10 any day now. All right, let's just get back to the video because I don't want to waste any of your time. All right, guys, but once you're going to start uploading on YouTube, you're going to be struggling with not getting any views. And that's just the facts of it. So this is my first shorts channel I ever had. And in the beginning, I was only getting like 30,000 views a day on average. And I was so discouraged because I was posting every day. And a lot of people are going to be stuck in this 30,000 view jail where every single of their shorts just gets 30,000 views. I was posting like 2-3 times a day and then like 1 time every single day here. And I was just getting so demotivated because I was posting every single day, but still pulling in like 10 through 20, 30,000 views. And the reality is that's going to happen to most of you guys for the first like 2-3 weeks when you start posting. But as you can see for me, I started breaking that jail around like 3 weeks in, and I started pulling in like 500,000 views a day. And all of that happened just because I was consistent and I kept posting. You're going to want to force yourself to post, because early on, you're literally going to be getting so low views that you're just going to want to quit. And that's the sad thing about YouTube, is when you just start, it's really hard for new creators. But if you just stay consistent and keep trying to improve, you're guaranteed to get views. Also, guys, to get monetized, you're going to need 10 million engaged views. So this usually takes someone who's new about 2 to 3 months. So make sure when you're just starting, you're really consistent. You're posting every day and try to improve, because if you just post every day with doing the same exact thing, you're most likely not going to succeed. But guys, once you do start going viral around 3 weeks in, you're going to want to just keep repeating the videos that got you viral in the first place. For example, my first video that got viral was around the halfway point. I think it got around like 200,000 views, and I was really excited. So I just kept on posting the same exact type of content, the same exact format, and eventually I started breaking out. This video right here was the same exact format as this video right here. And I just kept posting the same exact format over and over until I got even 1 million views a day. So yeah, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, if you want to grow in YouTube Shorts, just subscribe to this channel, because we're getting close to 15,000 subscribers. And make sure you guys subscribe, because yesterday I got like negative 28 subscribers. I don't know why that happened. And remember, no pressure. If you want help, just join the course. There's one-on-one calls. There's a bunch of different modules that you can watch for help, and I have a bunch of different stuff in there. So peace out.